So for any of you who have been following me on Facebook or Instagram, I've been making a few posts here and there of some of the food preservation I've been doing, and one of those for the last 2 days is crushed tomatoes.
Okay, we're going to start by assembling our food mill. Mine is by Organimix. I got it on Amazon and it was very inexpensive. Comes with a canister, the blades, and the mill. So to put it together, you're going to take your center disc, which is your blades, you're going to pop it in, and then you're going to grab your mill, and it's going to have a little point in the center. You're going to drop it in, push down, and then the mill will pop into the side pieces that hold it together. Once your tomatoes have cooled, and I'd say mine cooked about maybe just 5 or 6 minutes, you're going to put them in the food mill, and you're going to rotate back and forth. You're going to scrape out the bottom. That's going to get the flesh and all the meat and all the yummy goodness from your tomatoes. And you're going to continue to do that process back and forth until you've strained all of your tomatoes. Sometimes you'll get seeds, and that's okay. I don't really mind too much. You're going to put some basil leaves in a bag, and you're going to fill it 3/4 of the way full with your crushed tomatoes. And don't forget to label. And once that's finished, we're going to go over to the sink and take this apart. Oh my gosh, this is even easier. You're going to push down the food mill in the center. It's going to release from the hinges. You're going to pop out the center disc, and you're just going to wash it out with some warm soapy water, and I let it air dry. And that is it, guys.
Thank y'all for joining me today. I know it was kind of a quick video. Hopefully you were able to get something out of it. I know that I have a lot of sauce to bag and jar up, but yeah, super fun. This is gonna go in the freezer. This one I'm gonna make today, and my cans go in my pantry. But yeah, have a great day. Alrighty folks, to your crushed tomatoes, add a can of tomato paste, saute your garlic and onion, add dry or fresh herbs. In about an hour, let it simmer, and boom, enjoy.